Well, folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. You're going to see the mains this week. Qualified in CMAIN for two-wheel drive. Wah, wah. No changes. Found grip a little bit less this week, but let's go out there, see how we do in the CMAIN with the TLR 22 5.0 DC Elite. There you go. Two-wheel drive CMAIN. June 3, 2020.
Right? Okay, so you guys see all good and spread out? Less than 5 on the tone. Alright, keep it clean, keep it clean. Marshals, keep an eye on your corner, not the race. Keep it clean, keep it clean. Alright, watch out on the bumping. Remember, if you hit someone and you spin out, it's your fault. You gotta wait until they get marshaled and get back in front of you. I want to see a nice pass. I am looking at the track here. Looks like we got Jack up front, Eddie bonk. Oh, Brian had to run over him. Alright, Eddie's back running. He's really close to Eddie. Oh, Eddie's back.
Oh, no!
Wing flips upside down in the double-double, making Breeder have a workout. Alright, here goes. Oh, looks like Brian's up in front now. Looking like Kennedy is in 2, and Jack is down to 3. Alright, after Jack, we've got Flame with Eddie, Aiden, and Nick is out. He's a DNS. He did not start. Alright, so our leaders up top go down the street. He's got a bit of gap. There's a bit of a battle right now for second overall between Jack and JK. Jack's trying to look for a spot to pass. Want to see a clean pass. You don't want to hit and then slow both of you down. Remember to be sportsmanlike. If you mistakenly hit someone, let them get back by you, Marshall, and then continue with the race. Alright, so our leader is, we got a pass, so you got it, thank you. Alright, so we got our leader coming by the finish line. We got the second here. See the gap. Alright, the gap is 2.5. Alright, the gap is 2.9. So Brian's taking a bit more of a gap between him and the second place fighters here. Both of them still fighting it out. Into the S now, the battle for second overall. We got JK and Curry in the two. Jack pounding him down the straight right now. Brian again is our leader. He's coming by the finish line. He goes by the 26-3. Oh, got a spin out from Jack. That's not going to help out. Gonna make him.
He spun out, but I fell down the little off-camber hill, so
he's got 2.5 second gap.
I don't have a lot of time.
Gotta make up a bit of time.
Oh no!
Oh, what happened? I missed it. John crashed. Oh no. Oh yeah, it looked like Jack got back by. He's back into the 2. So the gap now is 4.4 seconds. Getting this bitch up front.
Ah, dang it.
In the 2, 4.4 seconds behind, and JP's 1.7 behind him. In 4th place, we got Flame. In 5, we have Eddie. In 6, we have Aiden. You got Flame and Eddie, you're battling it out. Battling it out for 4th. Alright, Brian's on 5. The gap is now 4.9, Brian. Oh, 3.8. Alright, Jack's made up a bit of time on Dad. We got 2 minutes to go. Oh, it's like 80 stuck in the wall. Thank you, Nick. Alright, our leader just went by. It's 26-3. One of his fastest laps. Alright, Jack goes by 26-8. That's not his fastest. He does have the fastest lap of this race, though. 25-7. He's the only one in the 25. He's got a minute and a half to go. Our leader is in the straight. He is red and white. Second place is just getting on the straight now. So keep that in mind, just now. You do have second place. It's going to pass you possibly soon. There's that flame that is second place behind you. When you get past, leave you some room. Thank you. Alright, so the gap is now 3.4 seconds. Last minute.
1 minute left.
We got Brian, Jack, John, Eddie, Justin, Aiden. 45 seconds to go. Our leader just went by, and now Jack goes by 3 seconds. He's made up half a second on that lap. Got good enough for a couple laps left, I believe. Here comes our leader. Gap was 3 seconds. Let's see what it is now after Brian and Jack go by. Was 3.0, now it's 2.1. Almost made up 1 second. This is going to be the last lap. Lay it down, this is your last lap. You got 8 seconds to go on the clock.
Okay, last lap.
5, 4, 3, 2. Wow, look how close Jack got. He was 2.1 seconds. Good effort, Jack. Good effort, Jack. Wow. You made up another one.
Did you hold him off, Brian? Did you hold him off? Did you hold him off?
I did, yeah.
Nice. Good job, Brian.
Jocelyn quickly done with the 10 lap car, 15.1 result. JK Gunn with the 11 lap car, 16.3 result.
I know.
So Brian takes
Aiden
that.
slowly done with the 10 lap car, 27.1 result.
My strategy was try and keep him behind me as long as I could, because once he gets out in front, I know I can't catch up, because he's faster than me on all the corners. Alrighty guys, that was 2-wheel drive CMAIN. That's I've got my car set up for fully stock buggy, and really I might change that. We can run mod, so I might look at doing that. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new on here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.